Are you a beginner on Leonardo AI? In this video guys, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how this AI tool called Leonardo actually works. You can simply unleash your creativity with the power of Leonardo AI. You can create production quality visual assets for your project with unprecedented quality, speed, and style and consistency right here. You can easily cultivate originality, your imagination, and technology generates distinctive art with your pre-trained AI models, or you can easily train your own. And this is very easy to grasp, rewarding to perfect. So right here guys, you can use Leonardo today for your photography, architecture, interior designs and lots more right there. Millions of users have been able to make use of this AI tool called Leonardo to create amazing images right here. As you can see right here on the Leonardo's toolkit, we have the image generation whereby you can take creativity a step further with the transformative power of our image generation tool. It's not just about bringing your concept to life, we define the impossible. From beginners to professionals, we offer a spectrum of settings that can be intuitively tailored to your needs. So you want to simply discover an unprecedented fusion of simplicity and power designed to cater for creative minds at all levels. So that is one of the Leonardo's toolkits, which is the image generation. We also have the AI canvas right there, which is this helps you blend robust editing functions with the immersive creative process, providing you complete control. It can easily erase distraction, adjust dimensions, and finesse every detail of your design all under one roof. With Canvas, you are not just using a tool, you are the true alchemist of your creation. And we also have the 3D texture generation. You breathe life into 3D assets like never before. Just upload your OBJ file, generate textures with contextual intelligence, and download the enriched files tailor-made for diverse applications right there. So you can easily unveil new creativity's horizons with their fine-tuned models that is available on Leonardo.ai. As you can see, this is their platform gallery. They have been able to create amazing images that looks exactly like this, be it 3D, fine-tuned model, the Leonardo Diffusion, the Leonardo Vision X-ray, and lots more. So with this AI tool, you are able to create one of the best amazing images right here using this AI tool right there. So guys, why don't you be part of their creative community today by simply just creating an account where there is no credit card needed right here, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So if you go onto their community feed right here, as you can see, millions of people have been able to create amazing images that looks exactly like this. So guys, how do you actually want to create an image that looks exactly like this right here? What you want to do is to go onto the user tools right here. As you can see, we have the image generation, the real-time canvas, real-time generator, canvas editor, and texture generation. But right here guys, I'm just going to simply make use of this user tool called the image generation right here, which is this right here on this particular page. So guys, what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to edit this and remove this right here. So if you want to simply generate right here, you simply need a prompt. So how do you actually get your prompt? You can easily go onto ChatGPT and message ChatGPT to actually write a prompt for you right here, and ChatGPT is just going to do just that right here for you. As you can see, I simply asked ChatGPT to write an images prompt about a young girl staring at the sea, and ChatGPT was able to give me this. And you can also get a prompt right here by simply going down to the prompt generation, and this tool will help you come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. So you want to simply enter a basic prompt idea, and this is going to give you 4 number of prompts to generate. Now you can easily make this to be 6 or to be 8 right there. So right here guys, before going on to the prompt generation, let's go on to this prompt. I do have a prompt right here that I have copied from ChatGPT. So let's simply generate this. So guys, before you simply generate, you can go on to the number of images. Now you can decide to make your images to be 1, 2, 3 up to 8. But guys, I want to make use to be 2 images right here, and go on to generate, and this is going to generate 2 images right here for me. As you can see, this is going to look amazing right here for them to generate. So that is it for simply just taking a prompt from ChatGPT. You can also go on to the prompt generation. So guys, let's simply scroll down. As you can see, these are 2 different amazing images that have been created by simply taking the prompt that ChatGPT was able to create for me right here. So guys, let's make use of the Leonardo AI prompt generation. So I'm going to go right here and simply enter a basic idea prompt. So let's simply make use of a young girl. I'm going to make use of the same prompt, a young girl staring at the sea. So I'm just going to do this. So that is it. I'm just going to ideate right here, and as you can see, it is generating new prompt ideas for the simple basic prompt that I've given to this. So let's go on to generate the first prompt right here, and I'm just going to generate the first and the last prompts right here to see how this actually looks like. So guys, as you can see, the last prompt has been generated, the first prompt has been generated right here, and it looks so amazing right here. So guys, as you can see, you are able to get an amazing prompt right here by simply making use of the Leonardo AI prompt generation, and this images is looking so nice. Now let's take a look at the last one that I was able to generate. As you can see, this is looking amazing right here. Amazing video, amazing images that has been generated right here by making use of the prompt generation, and this was created from the ChatGPT was able to generate this prompt. I was able to use to create this, and Leonardo AI was able to give me a prompt that I'm able to use to generate this images right there. So right here guys, as a beginner and you want to create awesome images making use of this AI tool called Leonardo, you want to simply go through all the steps that I have showed you right here on this video for you to be able to generate amazing images and simply just unleash your creativity with the power of the Leonardo AI.